Okay, hello everyone. Very good evening. I hope that you are able to see and watch me and also able to hear me. So, can you all quickly confirm me on the chat that you are able to hear me? Yes, vlog live with Yashashwini. What about others with people on LinkedIn? If you are watching me on LinkedIn, right? Great. So today is your LinkedIn profile optimization, and you all are welcome to share your LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so it will be an amazing session where probably I can take all your LinkedIn queries or let's say like your data points, anything that is related to your LinkedIn, right? How to hunt a job. So everything from basics to advanced regarding your LinkedIn profile optimization, we will be watching it today. And thanks a lot for joining. So, how are you all doing? Good? Yes. Okay. Let me see. What about people on LinkedIn? Okay, great. So, people on LinkedIn, you can also comment down so that I can confirm that you can confirm me that okay you are able to hear and see me. Okay. Right. So today it's really good. No, LinkedIn people are still thinking to message. Okay. Hi. Hi. Are cartoon story. Hi. Okay, welcome to the LinkedIn profile optimization session. Okay, how many of you are ready to share your LinkedIn profile? First of all, tell me that because first I will show you my LinkedIn profile, then I will take your all LinkedIn profiles and I will see that what is the mistakes that you guys are doing, right? And how you are lacking your job opportunities, right? So those things we are going to talk. And if anyone is willing to share your LinkedIn IDs, let's get started. Before that, I would like right. So I would share my LinkedIn ID first, right? Ready, ready, ready. Okay. Yes. Yes, definitely I'm going to view your LinkedIn profiles in a very short time. Right. Hi Praveen, good evening. When will the Astral starting? Where can I get Telegram channel? Yes. We will be discussing about that, right? Hi, hi, hi. Okay. So let's get started, guys. I'll share my screen quickly to show you a few things, right? Okay, done. Great. So let me share my screen to you all so that you guys see like what are the things that we will be touching on. Right. Great. So shall we start the session? Yes. Ready, ready, ready. Yes. You can share your ID just 5 to 10 minutes. I will first show you all my LinkedIn ID and then you can share your ID accordingly. Done? Right. So all of you see here, quickly we will jump onto the LinkedIn class here. So very, very important thing. If you all are seeing my LinkedIn profile, my profile is public profile. Okay. So you should be able to understand whenever you are creating your LinkedIn profile, it should be a public profile. Okay. So the first and the topmost point which I am going to highlight is your URL. Now, how many of you have a number after this URL? Let's talk about that first, right? So if you have seen with your LinkedIn URL, you will have something AGHT6789. Anything? Have you observed this? Anyone have observed this? Right, with your LinkedIn ID, you will have some digits also. Yes. Have you observed this kind of difference? So what you have to do is you have to go to your public profile and URL and click on this edit button, and it will give you an edit option if you are able to see. And once you click it, you can change your URL according to your name. Yes, you all have. Oh, you all have the numbers. Okay. So quickly change the numbers, right? Yes. Edit your LinkedIn profile and give your name. If your name is being taken by someone, then you can add your own numbers there. Okay. So once this is done, very important, you go back to your home section and very, very important, you give some banner. Now, many of you give random banners, but my suggestion should be give the best banner which describes your personality. Let's say you are working in a very good organization. Let's say you are a speaker, public speaker. Let's say you are helping some people with the jobs. Let's say you are contributing to the open source community. Anything that you are interested should be on your banner so that people come and watch you. Very, very important. That is the mandatory thing. Okay. Now, once you have done this, very important, you keep your profile picture very simple as well as professional. So many of you, I have seen that you keep some partying photos, some beach going photos, some bike riding photos. No, LinkedIn is all about professionalism. Like you stay professionalism. Yes, you all have, right? Correct. So please remove all your numbers, right? So that's very, very important. Now, how many of you have not verified your LinkedIn profile? How many of you have not verified your LinkedIn profile? Anyone? Like you say, like you don't have the tick mark here. How many of you are there? In the session, how many of you don't have LinkedIn profile verified? Can you give me, right? Not yet. Why? What is the issue? Yes, you don't have. Yes, verified. You have verified. Some are telling, okay, it's good. How many of you have not verified your LinkedIn profile? Not yet. Sai has not yet verified his LinkedIn profile. What about others? Siddheshwari, you have to do, okay? Do it today. Verify your LinkedIn account today. Now, one more thing. If you see here for the verification, you need to submit your Aadhaar card or PAN card, any government ID, provided you are a fresher and you are not working. Okay. So earlier LinkedIn was not having that feature. Only the outside India they were allowing with the government ID cards, but now they are allowing Indians also to submit their profile verification with the Indian government ID cards. Okay. So yes, you do it, please. Okay. No trust issue. Yes, if you are not doing, there will be a trust issue. So definitely do it. Okay. That's very, very important. Now, once you have verified, all of you see here, this plays an important role. You go to the market to buy anything and you watch the title of the product or the brand quality of the product or what is about the product is. So very important, you always tell like what exactly people are looking for from you, right? If you are helping students, you put helping students and professionals. If you are into community building, you do it. If you are a DevOps and SRE, keep all the things that you know in the DevOps and SRE. And if you are any company, like ex employee of a company, you can mention that also. Very, very interesting, and it will definitely help you in understanding things also. Okay. Now, if you come down, tell me how many of you are able to see this button, like resources and on all analytics, if you are able to see. Yes, not verified. Ranjit, verified today. Very, very important, because someone if sees your profile, they should be able to understand that you are a genuine candidate, right? Verified. Good. That's really makes sense. Like, okay, you guys are understanding like what I'm telling, right? Now tell me, how many of you are able to see your analytics section and something like resources? Are you seeing on your LinkedIn profile by any chance? Yeah, Sayed Ruxana. Yes, you are able to see your analytics and LinkedIn profile. What about others? Yes, I am also able to. Good. Now, what is the intention to tell you is analytics, start posting some content on DevOps and SRE. Okay, it will be very, very much helpful. You can take my content also and you can paste it on your page. I am completely fine with that. Okay, any content if you see which will be helpful, you can either do a repost. Okay, I will tell you how to do a repost, how to start your content creation journey, or how to start with DevOps and SRE to get some opportunities from the people. Okay, now these are important things. Now, very, very important, if you see here about section, you all are welcome to copy paste the same thing. Okay, so what you have to do is whenever you are writing your about section, just make sure that you are giving in the line format. Okay, and you see the first line itself is very, very impressive. Yes, Dikshit, I remember you. Now all of you see here, very important, if you see, all of you read this line by the way. Okay, okay, all of you have read this. Now you see DevSecOps SRE Cloud Infra Engineer, along with good skill set as Linux system administrator and currently working with Walmart. And if you see the second point, won several awards in Walmart and Verizon in the field of automation, security, learning and delivery, and active participation of various tech and non-tech events. If you see the third point, certified Red Hat Linux system administrator and Red Hat Ansible administrator. And if you see the fourth point, security and monitoring, and fifth point, cloud. Now, if you see, each point is about to sell yourself. Do you agree with me? The point one is different from point two. The point two is different from point three. Do you agree, guys, with me? Yes? Do you guys agree with me? If you have seen, each point plays an important role. One is different from two is different from three is different from four, and that's how the things are. Yes, 100%. Do you agree with me? Now, what are you feeling when you are seeing this? Do you feel the motivation ki yaar, acha, this guy is doing good, this guy has won some awards, this guy is an administrator, he has completed some certifications, he has also done security and monitoring, he has also worked on cloud, and key player in taking decisions. Now, these all things, when someone sees, right, crystal clear, that's very important here, how you are playing an important role in making others understand what you are. Yes, properly divided. You guys agree, right? The way you are presenting, that will be very, very much important, right? So always try, you can copy paste the same thing. I am okay completely. I don't have any issues. You can keep in your LinkedIn profile. I'm happy if you keep it, right? Make yourself better day by day. That's what we are trying to do, right? So you can keep it and you can utilize it. I don't have any issues. Okay. So if you come down, top Python skills, whatever your skills are, top skills, you can add it. That will be an important for you. And if you little bit come down, start creating the content. As I always tell, it will be helping you. And all of you see here, whenever you are writing your experience for freshers, how many of you are freshers? Let me ask you a question. How many of you are freshers? Like those who don't have job but looking for a job right now. Yes, HR will definitely look at our bio. That's very important. How many of you are freshers and watching me? Right. Okay, so the number is quite
unknown caller.
Great. Namaste all. Okay. Experience and looking for job opportunity. Okay, you all are almost like everyone in the class are freshers. Now, for freshers, let me tell you, guys, all of you see here, very, very important. If you are a fresher, please add here properly that you are what you are doing. So let's say you are working on a project, add that project description here. Okay, so let's say like some project details here, CI/CD deployments, CI/CD hands-on, and in the screenshots, if you see, I will be editing this, and if you see here in the screenshots, in the media, you please add whatever you have done in your hands-on project. You can add a screenshot of AWS migration, you can add a screenshot of Linux systems handling, anything you can add, so that people can understand that, okay, this guy has done something good. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, right? So it plays a very, very strong role, in designing your LinkedIn profile, right? Yes. Bhai, thank you. Okay. So very, very important when you are doing something, especially for a fresher, these all things plays an important role, and people will try to understand, okay, this guy has worked on this project and he's genuine, right? And that's what make you different from others, right? Whoever is college student, whoever is doing some things, it will be definitely helping you in making you different. Now, if you have participated in hackathons, right, you can add as a separate heading. Let's say here it is mentor, right? You can say like hackathon participation or hackathon events, anything. People won't judge you because you are a fresher. and you want to sell yourself. That's it, right? And you can put a part-time,
Unknown.
you can put a part-time value, and you can put anything like company, organization, anything, right? And from when to when, and all the details you can put it. And again, whatever you have done in the hackathon, let's say what is the tech stack that you have utilized, and anything that is related to your pictures, add media. If you have any group pictures, you can add that also. Makes sense, everyone? Are you guys understanding? Okay, so Shubham is telling, hi Praveen, if you remember, you reviewed my profile few months in the same live session. I got a job this month, product-based company as a senior SRE, followed what you said and cracked. Okay, so bhai, thanks a lot, right? And these kind of things really motivates me, right? And definitely it will be helpful for all the people, right? Especially for the freshers or experienced. You should be able to understand how to present that LinkedIn profile so that anyone can see and try to understand what you have done exactly. Okay, so are you guys feeling motivated, like the way I am talking or the way I am presenting or the way I am telling yaar, what exactly you need to crack a job? Yes, are you guys understanding? Guys, give me a yes or no, right? That there are many aspects of understanding and learning, right? Yes, so very very important. So thanks a lot, Shubham Nayak. Okay, so I really appreciate that you came forward, right? I'll just take a snap. Okay, great. So it's really good to see like when people come acknowledge whatever our contributions are, right? Okay, great. Okay, thank you, Shubham, right? Right, so those things will be very very much important. And if you see, like if you are working in an organization, right, you can add your awards, rewards. If you see here, anything you want to keep it in the media section, you can add it. Okay, that will be very very much helpful to you. May it be awards, may it be rewards, whatever you got it, you can add it as a description and add the screenshot here. It will be really really helping you in upskilling the time. Okay, and whatever the company you have worked in, you can clearly mention all the things. Okay, and awards plays an important role. So I always tell, keep as many as awards you get it, or grab as much as awards as possible in any company, right? Yes, I will be checking your LinkedIn IDs in a little bit of time. In let's say in 5 minutes I'll be checking your LinkedIn ID. So I would suggest you all to wait for some time so that I can show you my LinkedIn ID, and then next things. Okay, now very important, once the experience is done, the next part which plays an important role is education qualification. Okay, so whatever the educations you have done it, please mention in a very clear way so that people try to understand and people will come to know kr what has been exactly done. Okay, so that's very very much important. You add all the things properly. Now if you see license and certifications, definitely you can add all your licenses and certifications, which will be helping people to understand. And volunteering, if you have done any volunteering in your organization. Now one of the important thing, guys, all of you please check, do you see anything like this recommendations on your LinkedIn profile? Can you all check? Yes, I will definitely help you and take your queries also. But all of you, can you check in your LinkedIn profile? Do you see anything like recommendation sections? Anyone who is seeing that? No? What about others? Yes, Gopi Naidu is able to see. Dikshit is not able to see. Okay. Okay. Quickly, guys, check and quickly. Ria Roy able to see? No, not able to see. Okay. Mohammed Shoaib not able to see. What about others? नहीं है. ठीक है. Yes. Now, very important, if you are able to see the recommendation, it means that you have achieved minimum set of followers. Okay, so I see that some people have this recommendation section, okay, which I am able to see, and some people don't have the recommendation section. Okay, so only thing is, you start preparing the content or start making the content, and automatically this section LinkedIn enables. As far as my research, I am seeing that, right? And you can ask any person for a recommendation, provided if I'm searching for someone in any organization, I can send them the what you call like recommendation request and ask them for a request. Okay, that's very, very important, and you can definitely do it. It will help you. Okay, makes sense, right? Those who don't have, please do it. Okay, which will be helping you in understanding here what exactly this means. Okay, shall we start the? Okay, now you understood all the things, right? So all of you tell me, shall I start with your LinkedIn profile? Yes. Okay. Now, those who want your LinkedIn profile to get to get reviewed by me, you can share in the chat. I will be quickly looking at your LinkedIn IDs. Let's go. Okay. So I'll be putting as LinkedIn profile check. Okay. So I'll put this for you guys. Check time. LinkedIn profile check time. Chalo. You give your LinkedIn IDs, right? You give your LinkedIn IDs on the chat. I will be able to do it. Go ahead. Okay. Naga Pavan. Okay. Naga Pavan has given his ID. So let's see. Yeah. So all of you see here, quickly I will tell all the things that you need to look. Okay. Thanks a lot for being the member, right? So I'll quickly go back to the LinkedIn profile check time. Yes, I will take it. So all of you see here, Naga Pavan has shared his ID. Now, if you see the banner, what Naga is going to tell, right? He has given his email ID, name, DevOps engineer. That's good, Naga. But still, if you can add few more things, let's say AWS DevOps engineer, CI/CD automations, cloud infrastructure, Terraform, Ansible, and you are open to network, your profile is verified. Currently, you are working with HCL Tech. That's really good. And you have built some portfolio also, which we will definitely see. Okay, so you have a GitHub static page hosted. You have some blogs, you have my works. Okay, that's great. It shows that you are doing some things on your own. I see that with this sense, I am able to understand, Kiar, you have done so much hard work in building this portfolio. Okay, but only thing is probably little bit customization needed for this page. Okay, the rest all things are good. Okay, now very important, when you are writing as this paragraph, people want it in a crisp and clear manner. So just put this in a individual 2-line or 3-line format, which will be able to help you. And little bit more pointers if you can add. Naga, you are able to get right what I am telling? Naga? Yes? Okay, so change these things which will play an important role. Okay, so good. You are doing your content. I mean, you are posting some content, so that's good. You have 720 plus people. Okay, you're working in HCL Tech, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad. Very beautifully written. Oh, awesome. All of your eyes on the screen, guys. All of your eyes on the screen. Now you see, spearheaded the deployment and optimization of AWS services such as EC2, S3, scaling, driving a 20% reduction infrastructure across the platforms. Okay. Designed and implemented automated CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins and Git. automated infrastructure provisioning and configuration management using Terraform, Ansible. Very beautifully written. Okay. But what I am missing from this data, right? Okay, you have written Python also. Okay, I think this really looks good, and you have attached some things also. Okay, it's a HCL poster. Okay, I see that all the things are good. You have given all the things that is needed, but few of the things I would definitely tell, like you are open to work. So let's see what are the details here. DevOps, yeah, you can add maybe platform engineer, support role, all those things, and hybrid. You can add all the things like contract, everything. Let the call come to you. Are you guys understanding? Are you guys understanding, guys? Let the call come to you. Let people come to you. If you keep it hybrid, then people who are searching with the filter or recruiters who are searching with the filter, they will not come to you. So keep hybrid, remote, or like work from office, work from home, whatever the option you get it, you please keep it here. Clear, everyone? Yes, right. That's very important. And also, if you see, as much as job titles you can add it: DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, cloud engineer, support engineer, platform engineer, Linux system administrator, right? What else you have? A production support engineer. Add all the damn titles so that LinkedIn will take this data and show you the relevant jobs. Okay, getting an offer is more important rather than putting yourself in a constraint. Okay, so Naga, I hope you have it's good, right? So anyone from YouTube, those who are sharing your link, cartoon story, I want your LinkedIn ID. Okay, Monish. Okay, so Monish, you have to change it biology to technology. What you want to say here to the people? Correct. So you can change to something relevant. Okay, and remove this banner. These all things are not needed. Okay, Monish. Right, you have verified your profile. You are currently a student of Java, Spring Boot, RDBMS, Git student developer. Okay, very good. So you have some things here. You have some repositories, some blogs, some data, some Spring Boot applications, some Python applications. And very important, I would like to touch base here. I have seen that many of you just clone the code from somewhere. What if I am an interviewer? I will be interested how many commits you have done to this code. Freshers, are you able to understand? Freshers? Freshers, are you there? Bhai log, why no chat? Yes. So many a times fresher do this mistake. They just clone the code. I'm not talking about Monesh, but I'm talking in general. I wanted to share with you all. If I am a recruiter or I am an interviewer and I am checking your profile, I will be more interested what commits you have done for your project. Okay. So that will be playing an important role. So it's a this project is a Flask project, and you have done something. So that's good, right? Yes, that's good. Okay, so keep in mind that one. So that plays an important role, right? And if I come down, okay, you have been following me from March 2025. Hi, I'm Monesh, passionate BTech 2027, transitioning from. You don't need to keep it. Okay, one more important thing: never show your negatives here. Okay, so what it means, you are trying to transition from biology domain to software technology, and you are highlighting that everywhere. Not needed. Driven by my curiosity for building innovative solutions I have. Okay, skills and tools. Okay, projects. Okay, top skills, you can add little bit more. Next steps, looking to, okay, this is good. But tell me, have you copied from Chat GPT, brother? Yes. You copied from Chat GPT? Yeah. Don't do that. Okay. It clearly resembles it's a Chat GPT because you added next steps, and see it's very clear. So what you do now? Good that you have taken from Chat GPT. Copy this, paste it here, okay, in your Word document, and change to something else on your own terms. Okay. I can definitely understand you have copied from Chat GPT, but uh, change it to your own language. That will create more impact. Okay. And I think you are doing some posts, which is good, right? 1 week I can see. And backend developers. Okay, so you have added some things based on your internship, and internship certificate also you have added. 1 month you have done. Okay. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Whatever you have done is good. Only thing is that biology to, can you please check the blog repository? Okay, let's check the blog repo. Okay, you are doing something here. So let's see. Okay, what this code is actually doing. Okay. So you are basically creating a login page with email ID, password. Okay, two values only. Then you are using the DTO, data transfer object. Okay, three values. Okay. Security configuration, what you have done here. Okay, you have enabled the course abstract HTTP configurer. You have disabled it, and you are matching the the paths and the role. Okay, that's good. So basically, if I'm able to understand this particular project based on the, I just add the emojis. Okay. So basically, what are you trying to say? Like, in this particular project, you are just having email ID, user ID, and password, right? And you are trying to have the admin role. And this is good. This is good. Definitely, it's a good one. But people are looking for more complex things. Okay. So I think this is really good, but still, you have to be little bit more good. Okay. Clear, Monish? Please accept my LinkedIn request. Okay. So next, can you share your LinkedIn ID, guys? LinkedIn ID. If you are from YouTube, I want you all to share in the YouTube chat. Okay, right. So this is good, definitely. Okay, Surender Gupta. We will see Surender's LinkedIn ID. Engineering stability, scalability. Okay, Surender Gupta, DevOps engineer. DevOps engineer cloud. Okay, this one I was talking about. Okay, so DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure, automation, CI/CD, Kubernetes, AWS, Docker, Terraform. I'm passionate DevOps engineer with strong background in building scalable systems. AWS, Terraform, Ansible. I specialize in streamlining software delivery pipelines and improving deployment velocity and reliability. Over the years, I have led the containerization. Okay, this is really good. Whether it's automating infrastructure with Terraform. Okay, you can add little bit more top skills. Oh, you are doing freelancing. Now you are not working anywhere. Okay, you are doing a remote work, right? Oh, 17 licenses you have. Great. It's good, but what I'm thinking is you have to play a smart role or smart work. You have to do some smart work at this tab. Okay. So I feel that I'm not able to understand whether you are currently working, you are doing a freelance, what is that, or you are in a break, right? So I'm not able to understand. You can update it accordingly. Rest all things are good. No issues with that. Okay. You are searching for a job, currently not working. Yeah. So you can mention something. Okay, freelance you have done. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, open to work, Deekshit, final year student, ex intern at DevTown, tech enthusiast, intern Shala student partner, reskill inspire, HTML, CSS, SQL. You have put everything. Okay. So let's check his portfolio once. Okay, okay. Full stack web developer. Okay, now very important, if you are a fresher and you are keeping the same projects which everyone is doing, like rock, paper, scissors, tic tac toe, Mintra clone, these all people will do. But what you have done on your own by integrating all these things, let's say if I am in your place, I will integrate Mintra clone with tic tac toe, with rock, paper, scissors, anything. Like 2 3 projects you combine together, put it here. Okay, so that will be giving you more sense rather than you doing already existing copy pasted work, right? So that will be the top priority of mine. And see what is this, right? See, these all things you have to change. Okay, if you really want someone to see your vlog or your portfolio, this will play an important role. Okay, so you are telling open to work, front end developer, back end developer, on site, hybrid, only Hyderabad you need. You put some other places also, so that LinkedIn will what do you say, LinkedIn will give you the relevant job, right? As an aspiring computer science engineer, I thrive on the intersection of logic, creativity. Okay, this is really good. I think this one is giving more depth of understanding. Okay, so my journey began at MRCE, where I have immersed in the world of algorithm. Okay, now when you are talking about the big terminology, you should be sufficing the requirement also from the company. Okay, passionate about software development. Okay, these things are okay. What is this, founder? What you are doing here? Event coordinator, intentional student, campus ambassador. You have so many things to do. Okay, that's good. Okay, your LinkedIn profile seems good. I don't have any issues with your data. You are doing the, what do you say, like content addition also in the system. So I think it's good, no issues with that. Okay, right. Please bring live on Naukri optimization also. Okay, sure. Okay, Ovis Mullah. Okay, let's see his ID. But yeah, great project, that block one, and your portfolios are also good. Okay. Okay, Siddheshwari, I'll come to your profile once this is done. Okay. From Maharashtra. Okay, remove this kind of fancy things from your profile if anyone is writing actually, right? This diamond cuts, this Docker, these all things, like your profile should be very professional. Okay, so OS you can remove whatever you are seeing here, like Linux and all, or Octopus, GitHub and all. You can remove. Rest, I think it's good. Okay, and Maharashtra, you're working there. I'm expecting open to work, as I have told you. Please add as many as titles you have: DevOps engineer, SRE engineer. What else you have? Platform engineer, monitoring engineer, security engineer, right? So you can add all those things, and please tell people that you are open to work from anywhere in India. Let you get the offer letter. That's very, very important. Okay, so don't restrict yourself in terms of locations and the sites, right? So start date flexible. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now all of you see here, this is what I was looking for. Okay, present yourself as much as you can. Okay, so if you see here, result oriented professional with 4 years of experience in DevOps engineer, automation, as a seasoned DevOps. So this is what I was looking for. Like, you write everything in a very detailed manner and very crisp manner. Okay, key tools. Okay, this is good. Oh, you are working with Reliance. Okay, 4 years you are working with Reliance. Okay, from a network engineer. Okay. Okay, so what I have understood is basically you are a DevOps and a network engineer. Correct? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, and you're trying to learn some things here and put it on the paper. That's really good. I appreciate it. But what you can do is, in your telecom sector or wherever you have worked, you can change or add some points as DevOps. This is for everyone. Whenever you are trying to shift your domain, let's say you are a non-IT. Okay, I will make it a little bit bigger for you guys to understand. Okay, okay. Whenever you are migrating from non-IT to DevOps, okay, or let's say like networking to DevOps, okay, or let's say what else you have, non-IT to DevOps, networking to DevOps, dev to DevOps. Okay, this is again, I have seen many of you want to try, and QA to DevOps. I see that most of the time people try to move into DevOps and SRE from these fields, right? And predominantly, like most of the people in today's time, like are non-IT to DevOps, right? So my assumption here is anyone who is doing these things are definitely on the green side, right? You can definitely, okay, not this one. I wanted to take this one, right? You are on a good side where you can easily shift into the DevOps. Okay, if you are a networking guy, you do. Dev guy, you do. QA guy, you do. But non-IT, little bit different, because in non-IT there are multiple sectors. Like you have your BPO, you have your support, right? Only you do the system support. You have system management, right? Patch and all. So in non-IT, different kinds of roles will come. So a little bit difficult will be coming, right? But definitely that's not a stopping. That's not going to stop. So that's very, very important, right? Cartoon story, bhai. I'm not sure. I don't see your LinkedIn ID here. Probably. Ha, interesting session. Okay. Where he has shared? Where you shared, bhai? I don't see. See, you told this one. After that, your message itself is not there. Okay, you didn't share it. Okay. Don't text. Where are you texting? Where are you texting? You put either in LinkedIn or you put either in YouTube. Oh, it's not showing? Okay, you can tell your ID name also. I'm okay with that. Okay, right. So Siddheshwari, I have seen your LinkedIn profile already, right? When we met, I was looking at your profile. I don't have any issues with your profile, but only thing is, right? Okay, so you all, I know you all have come to the DevOps meetup, right? And this post went good, right? 385 likes and so many comments, right? So do some things like this where you go to some events, try to meet people, understand things. And your profile is good, but only thing is like you should get a job, right? As I have told earlier also, rest all things are good, so don't worry. Rizwan Chaudhary, okay, I will search for the profile. If I get, I will be taking in. Okay. Is it your profile? RIZWANCH. Yeah, this one. Correct. Okay, right. Okay, good. You can change this banner if you are fine. Profile looks good. Cloud engineer DevOps, 3x AWS certified, 1x Oracle certified. Okay, good. So whenever you have certifications, you can definitely keep these things on the top. Okay, now, as a passionate cloud and DevOps, I specialize in designing, developing, automating scalable solutions, infrastructure using AWS Azure cloud with hands-on experience and continuous learning mindset. I help business streamline. Okay, why you kept only two lines here, brother? Add some more things also, na? Why only two lines? When you have divided like a heading and the data, please add more points. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, AWS expertise, 5, 6 points. Again, DevOps skills, 5, 6 points, 5, 6 points. Like points should be more. Okay, right. Okay, so you have been with Cloud Engineer Orient Technologies for 11 months. I think it's very fast, right, to switch or to check for a switch right now. Okay, what I would suggest, you stay in the same company, learn things, and then probably you can go, right? Right. And your profile is good. No issues with that. Okay. Now, all of you see here, what have you understood? We have seen some profiles. We have understood some things, right? Tell me what you have understood with all the data that we have discussed till now. What is the most important thing in LinkedIn? What is the most important thing in LinkedIn? What is that? Now, you guys tell me. You guys tell me what is the most important thing in LinkedIn? Simple and clean. Okay. Makes sense. To sell ourselves. Okay. This is my tagline. Networking. Okay. What else you have? What else you have? Projects and details. Network. How to present your skills, right? Okay, these all things. Posting content, yes, very very important. Like you be active, you get connections, you get people to know your profile, right? And you see, over the time, I always get job opportunities on my LinkedIn text page, right? People usually DM me, Praveen, are you available for a job change, right? So people definitely come to my profile, check things, understand things, right? So posting content will be definitely an important aspect. So what else you have? What else? Making profile visible. That's obviously that should be always there. Okay, so all of you see here one important thing, yeah, optimization and all those things are there. So all of you see here, guys, if you have liked today's session, okay, if you feel that okay, Praveen is going to help me, right? Praveen is going to be with me for next few months, like for your job help, for your interview help, for your guidance, for your preparation. So I am starting the batch 12, which will be starting in next 10 days. Okay, so hardly a week or a 10 days are left. So prime batch 12, I am into teaching from last 2 years, where I'm going to give you this batch 12 DevOps, SRE, and AI. Okay, and the freshers who are there, you please understand few things whatever I'm going to tell. Okay, if you are a fresher, if you are a domain change, if you are a non-IT, support, management, networking, DevOps, QA, any kind of role, if you see the 100 plus topics which you will learn starting from Linux to the advanced concepts of Kubernetes. Okay, if you see all the things that you need to crack a job, okay, from a fresher to a experience. If you are a fresher, definitely your mindset will change. I'm 100% telling you. If you are an experience with the project, you will be able to explain the people very beautifully. And if you see, for every interview, I am going to give you some scenarios. That scenarios will be enough for you to clear any interview. Okay, so you see like Kubernetes scenarios, Docker scenarios, Jenkins scenarios, and particularly if you see, right, projects, if you see, each project is a dot for you. Okay, you connect the first dot of project with the second with third, so the continuous flow of the projects will be there, right? Three-tier architecture deployments, Kubernetes monitoring, GitOps, Python programming, webhooks, custom resource definition. If a fresher learns this, your resume will be tod far resume, right? And if an experienced learns this, obviously you are going to crack a good job, right? And these all things are there, and predominantly we are targeting, right, SRE, DevOps, all the things. Now, if anyone is interested in batch 12, I have shared the link with you. You can enroll right away. That will be really helpful for you to cope up some of the documents which are attached in the website, right? So those who are interested for the batch 12, I will be in this live. You can enroll yourself and call out your name. Okay, right. Hi, Praveen. I am a fresher. I started my career in Linux admin. It's new for me. Should I currently focus learning Linux? Yeah, currently focus. You focus on learning Linux. Okay, not needed like complete DevOps. Okay, right. Suyash, clear? Now, anyone who is interested in batch 12, who wants to talk with me or who wants to chat with me, anyone who is there? From LinkedIn, I'm telling you, you can check our placements also, right? You please check our placements, how the students have got placed from batch 12, batch 11, Microsoft placement, right? And this is how we give the cheat sheets for you, right? To take out the printouts. Recordings will be available. Live sessions, classes are starting in next 10 to 12 days hardly. And you have all the things in the website to crack a job, right? So this is how our students learn in the office also. You can see, right? Make notes, post on LinkedIn. You can talk with these students also, right? So definitely it's going to be helpful. So I'm going to share the link, right? In the chat I have shared, or else all of you can do just one thing. Hey DevOps.in/batch 12. This is the simple link. Or if you hit heydevops.in, it will take you to the website. You can go to the English course, and this is the batch 12 course, which is running at 70% off for you. And if you click on the book your seat now, there will be a coupon already applied for you. Name, you can enter your email, enter your phone number, early bird coupon, and select the option here or here. The one-to-one mentorship is applicable for one time. You can select this if you are interested, or if you need the batch 11 recorded videos at a very less cost, you can opt for that also, right? So those who are interested, you can definitely enroll, and I will be waiting in this live, right, and guiding you all for yourself to enroll, right? And definitely I think once you are coming on to the batch 12, all the things which you are going to learn in batch 12, I will be taking care of that. And this class is starting from 28th June. Interactive learning environment, live classes, downloadable resources, class recordings, 30 plus assignments, doubts clearing session, obviously. So you all start with me from very fundamentals, and you grow with me according to my experience, whatever I carry. Okay. So anyone who is interested, you can let me know. I will be able to guide you. Yes, sure. Means once you all enroll yourself, probably we will be doing this one also, like how to join the classes. That's very important, right? So that I will take care. Sure. Junaid Sheikh, sure. Yeah. So Varshit, I'm going to share this link to you all, those who are watching me, right? So you can enroll here with this link. I have pinned this also on the screen. Definitely it's going to help you, right? Yes, those who are here, I have 2.5 years of experience, but still don't have confidence to attend interviews. And my okay, so Mohammed Shoaib and everyone, those who don't have confidence to attend interview, you can check out my mock interview with this guy, with batch 11 student. Okay, so he is a batch 11 student. Okay, and I have asked him all the questions. Just see this, how we have solved, how we have helped. Okay, so definitely it's going to help you. On my YouTube channel, it will be there, DevOps and SRE hands-on mock interview from batch 11. You can check this out. It will be going to complete by June, July, August, September. I think September it will complete mostly. Sure, I will join your class. More than 12 years of experience on DevOps and SRE. 5 years, have many queries relevant with DR, on-prem and EKS cluster with RTO, RPO. Sure, you can join, Amal, right? You can definitely join. So I will be sharing this link for the batch 12. So Tejashwani is from UK. See, UK, I have contacts, Tejashwani, right? And I can share you some contacts for the UK. Definitely, I can share it with you, right? Okay. Now, any other questions you have, people on LinkedIn? Okay, anyone who is enrolling right now, you can give your name, and I will be happy to take any queries if you have with respect to batch 12. And any other queries also, not particularly with respect to batch 12, but any other queries you have, you want to talk with me, you want to discuss some things. Okay, anyone who is enrolling in batch 12 right now? What would be the timing for batch 12? The batch 12 timing, yes, that's a good question. The batch 12 timing is weekends, morning classes. So morning class, we have something like this. I'll show you probably on the website. You can see. Yes, it will be from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. So close to 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Yes, in Xamam you have CI/CD and Terraform also. So if you see, all of you see here, the tools are distributed across. You're going to learn all these tools: Azure, Docker, AWS, Terraform, Prometheus, Jaeger, Istio, Visual Studio, Maven, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, and these all things I will take care the learnings for you. Okay, and you have some labs, you have some questions, interview questions. You will get all these things. So batch 12, I'm going to share ATS resume, Tejashwi, you can go with, today is the last day of joining, right? If you're asking me, because the prices are going to increase. Okay, so already it's been 1 week. We have kept the same price for you. So you can definitely check. Enhanced CV is one of the good website, right? Tejashwi, you can check that. We will get access to the course content. Already you have the access to course content, right? Siddheshwari, you can check under purchase tab. Okay, www.heydevops.in. Maybe I will give you to all the enrolled students. Purchase tab, then comes your course tab, and then comes your batch 12. Live sessions will be rolled out. Okay, live sessions will be rolled out soon, so don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, I see that 2 people are there who have some queries. Okay, anyone wants to talk with me, or anyone wants to share your experience? Anything you want to discuss with me? OS Mullah, I have already verified your LinkedIn profile. Okay. Yeah, OS Mullah, I have verified your profile. That should be. How is the job market for freshers? Job market for freshers is always tough. Okay, always tough. If I tell you like it's easy, that will not be good. Okay, so job market for freshers is always tough. Yeah. Yes, Karthik, you can follow the website purchase tab. It will be there. Okay. Right. Thanks for sharing key values. Thanks, Mohammed. I hope you liked the session. Right. Anyone who is enrolling batch 12, you can let me know. Okay. I'm sharing this link again. And any questions you have, by the way, you can ask me. And Tejashwani, if I see some things here on the screen, okay. So you are mostly working on harness, CD pipelines, harness CI pipelines. Everywhere I see harness and Terraform. You touched base GitLab, Helm. Okay, very little tools are there in your profile. Okay, so if you are okay, you can join Bash 12 because you get all these tools, and definitely these all things can be make it. We can make it to the next level. Okay, so you are just 3 years of experience, I believe. Yeah, so you can do that. You can do the complete shift. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so Bash 12, whoever is enrolling, you can enroll. Yes. Preetma Singh, thanks a lot. Okay, so let me check Preetma Singh's profile also once. How? Okay, so many things. Your entire profile is empty, Preetma. Okay, so what I would suggest is you change everything. Okay, everything starting from your banner to your headlines uh, to this about section. and everything should be there in your Finstara. Okay, awards, rewards, whatever you have achieved, keep everything here. Okay, very important. Okay, it's very empty, so I don't have much things to see, but definitely you have to add so many things to take a stand. Shah Zufasin, you have to give your LinkedIn ID, okay, or the complete URL. Okay, it's not like I'm not checking yours. I want your LinkedIn ID either on the chat. Okay, I cannot type Shah Zufashin Zunaid, right? Should we include expired certificate? Yes, I kept mine. You do it. See. Okay, share now. Probably it would have missed, but you can share now. Okay, and definitely in batch 12, I forgot to tell you, if you see under the job guidance session, okay, you are going to get my resumes. For a fresher, I'm going to share my Infosys resume. For an experienced, I'm going to share my Walmart resume, Verizon resume also, right? And whatever the companies I have cracked, may it be Walmart, Amazon, SAP, Informatica, Paytm, right? And if you see under the home tab, you can come to know about me. Okay, so all these companies, like many companies I have cracked, but these are like good companies which I have cracked, and our students have cracked very good companies. If you see, right, Amazon ho gaya, ya Walmart, right, or 100% hike, Nielsen, JP Morgan Chase, right, 100% hike. So we have a dedicated community where people come talk with each other, right? So it will be definitely helpful to you. Right, so you can see here, grabbed 5 offers from our batch: High Labs, EPAM, AI, DreamIt, Pippin Technology. And he is also telling, right, and he's inviting our students to connect with him. This is on the 10th March. Okay, so we have a dedicated chat section also for all the people, those who are joining our classes. Morgan Stanley, Flipkart. So we have so many things. You can connect with the students also, right? Yes, I am going to check others things also. You can enroll for batch 12. Meanwhile, I will check few other profiles also. And Junayad, I'm waiting for your profile, but I don't see your name here. Yeah, you can share again. Probably I would have missed it, right? Shubham Bhati. Let's see. Okay, batch 12 link I am giving again to you all. Okay, you can enroll and meanwhile let me know. Okay, Shubham Bhati, profile is verified. Masai alumni. Are remove this, bhai. Nobody wants which alumni you are. Okay, remove this. Java enthusiast, remove this cup of chai. Prompt engineer, remove this robot. Dedicated to innovating, remove this rocket. Keep it simple. People don't want. You are showing so many things. Okay, don't. Oh, you have this many followers. Okay, that's good. What do you do basically? Where is your content? What do you post basically? Oh, you were creating content 1 year back. Is it? Shubham, yes? Where are you, brother? Why I'm doing yours only? You don't see like I'm doing yours only. Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, you were creating content. Why you stopped it then? See, I see every post was going, I think it was going good, right? 200 likes, 137 likes. I think you stopped it later. So after 1 year, I don't see any comment, any posts. I think you stopped it. But yeah, what I'm suggesting here is you can change this complete setup. Also, you can change Masai Alumni and all. People don't want this fancy names here. Okay. And coming on to this, I am passionate. Yeah, I think you already know how to impress anyone. But what you do now, give a side heading. Let's say what it is talking about. Keep it a heading. What it is talking about, heading. Heading 1, 2, 3, something like that. You can give heading so that I don't want to read everything. Correct? I don't want to read all the data with you. Right? So you can change that. So you're working. Okay, like this. I mean, at least if 2 lines is there, it will be easy for us to read. Correct? Okay, so let's, all the things are clear, Shubham. Okay, right. I think Shubham, it's clear. Bash 12 starts from 28th of June, which will be like 10 to 12 days hardly, right? And some things are there for you to complete in the what do you say, like complete in the website. So please check that. Okay. Okay, guys. Again, I will tell you in batch 12. This is the link. You are going to get the batch 12 at a very less cost, and last few minutes are left for you to enroll in the batch 12. And what you are going to get, you are going to get live sessions, okay, recordings, downloadables, AI with DevOps, 30 plus assignments every week. I'm going to give assignments to you for your learning purpose, okay, and doubt sessions are also there, and certificate of completion will be there, which you can post on LinkedIn. And these all are contents. We will start from basics, and week by week we will go into the complex concepts of Groovy, whatever, security, right? Python, if you see here, Python we are going to touch. And if you don't know anything also, I'm going to take care of that, right? Kubernetes pods, troubleshootings, dashboard walkthrough, admission controllers, Python Django framework, AWS core concepts, Red Hat Linux. So basically these all things are for job. Okay, anything you are looking out for a job, may it be fresher, domain change experience, you are going to be with me. I have completed class 12, now joining EC. See, you are a very, it's like college going student. Okay, you are a college, just now you are entering to college. It will be more for you. Okay, but if you want to explore tech, right? Let's say you want to stand apart from others, then definitely you can enroll. And I would say this is one such course, like you can build your leadership qualities, understanding skills, thinking capabilities, troubleshooting capabilities, and it will help you. Okay, Gautam, it's up to you, but I'm giving the link to everyone, right? Definitely you guys can check all the things. Ashwini, I was working as a security analyst. I have a 2-year career gap. Now I'm looking to start with DevOps. Yes. So security analyst, as I've told you, right? This one you stand. Okay, did I not mention? Yeah. So people have come from sec to DevOps. That becomes basically a DevSecOps, right? So this is also one of the aspect where people come in. Okay. So how many of you are interested still to enroll? Right? You can enroll yourself. You have to just go to Google, type heydevops.in, go to English courses, click on batch 12. This is the link which you will get it. And at a flat 70% off, you get all the data. If you still have doubt, connect with students on LinkedIn. You can ask for feedback. So many placements we have achieved from the last few years, right? And everything is here. You can definitely check that. Okay, right. So thanks a lot for joining. It was really good talking with you all. See you in the next live session. Until then, take care and bye. Okay, it's time to say a bye. And please see, I have reviewed few of the LinkedIn profiles. It will be helping you in understanding things. Okay, right. Come to batch 12. You all will have amazing time in learning new things, understanding new things, understanding large tech scale. Okay, so see you in the batch 12, and happy to meet you all. Whoever had your LinkedIn profiles checked today, please definitely see all the things. Okay, right. Thanks a lot. Please take care. See you all in the batch 12 and keep working hard. Keep preparing yourself and let's see how it goes. Okay, so see you all in the batch 12. Projects, Raja, I have already shared in the website. Probably you can have a look at the website, right? Yeah. Yes, Kubernetes is also covered, Manohar. Yes, Kubernetes is also covered. So I have shared the link for you, right, Raja? I have shared the links both for you. Kubernetes is also covered. Yes. Any other questions you have before we wind up, or anything you want to discuss with me? People on LinkedIn, you are asking again, like when I'm saying bye, you are asking me questions. So these are jobs which have been posted from past 24 hours. And if you see, almost 600 plus jobs have come in for the past 24 hours. Okay. So it's really good to see very good companies are there. ANZ, PhonePe, Pegasystems. Okay, very good. Uh, Nielsen IQ. Okay, our student is there in Nielsen IQ. Thales, Atlassian. Okay, meanwhile, if anyone is enrolling for the batch 12, ATS friendly resume creation, I have few things for you. Fiverr.com is there, novoresume.com is there, and overleaf.com is also there. Okay, so those things are there for you. Batch 13. Okay, you gave me shock. Okay, this is a good question. Probably we will discuss in some other life. Okay, like how to deal with the notice period. Like many of you come up with the thought like how to deal with the notice period, right? Very good opportunities are there, by the way. These all are for experienced role because I am an experienced person. So these are according to my LinkedIn profile. But if you see according to your what do you say, like according to your years of experience, the jobs will come in. Okay. So very good opportunities are there, right? It's just that you guys have to continuously apply for the jobs. Okay. So I am expecting that I have solved all your queries. Okay. So those who are willing to enroll, you can definitely enroll. All your queries will be solved in the batch 12. So batch 12 is going to start very soon. So you can call your friends also for batch 12 who are interested to upskill with me and grab a job. Okay. Provided you work and I work together. Okay. So this is Praveen signing off from this video. Archana, it will start from I think 28th of June. Okay, it will start from 28th of June. Hardly like 12 days are there because you have some prerequisites also. Yes. So those things are there. You can definitely check out. Can I start developer to DevOps after 2 years gap? It will be difficult. Okay, Surendra, little bit difficult. Understanding should be okay. No issues. Okay, Ashwini? Right. Okay, guys. Chalo, bye. It's time for me to now leave. Time is now 10:30 p.m. See you all in the next live, and bye. Chalo. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It was really nice talking to you all. Meet you in the next live. Bye. Thank you, Ashwini, right, for trusting me and believing in me. Definitely, we will learn something new. Okay, I will remember, like I remember each and every student name who is interactive. Let's say Siddhi is there, you are there. From guys' side in batch 12, I'm not remembering, but yeah, I usually remember all the people like who are with me. Okay, right. So thanks a lot. Okay, we will definitely meet you all soon. Thank you and bye. Yeah.